Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your drop keyboard club membership. Okay, so there is only one method by which you can cancel your membership very easily. The first one is via email and the second one is via contacting with the customer support team by using chat support. Okay, so the email method. So first of all I want to tell you, if you are going to cancel your subscription, you need to cancel your subscription before your renewal date. Okay, otherwise you need to pay some kind of charge for subsequent year. Okay, and once you purchase any kind of subscription or membership, your fees is non-refundable. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to compose an email. The email format you can see over on your screen. So you need to mention your account name, your account number if any, or user ID if any, subscription plan, and your subscription start date, end date, and you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel your subscription. Okay, once you complete your each and everything, in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation. Okay, and you need to send this email at this email address. You can see support@drop.com. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will reply you very soon. If they don't reply, you need to get in touch with the customer support team until you don't get any kind of proof of cancellation. Okay, and once you get a proof of cancellation, you can you should not worry about this thing if you have already a proof of cancellation, and then they will not charge you again and again. Okay, and if we talk about second method, the second method you can choose their, you can select contact form, or you can choose their, you can select chat support options on their official website. And once you get in touch with the customer support team by using chat, then you can also ask cancellation of your membership. They will ask you some questions related to your, you can select club details for verifying your details, and once you complete each and everything, they will cancel your subscription via online also. Okay, so these are the methods by which you can cancel your drop club membership. So if you have any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.